Good morning, dear student. I hope you all are fine and fit. Today's topic we are going to start ratio analysis. Before going to ratio analysis, we should know the meaning of ratio first. I think you had studied earlier ratio and it might have expressed like that. Ratio is the relationship between two integers. But in accounting, it is explained a bit different, but the meaning is the same. In accounting, a ratio is the arithmetical relationship between two accounting variables, and it has different ways to express. It can be in proportion, a fraction, a percentage, and times. You will find proportion, percentage, and times in this chapter, but there is no ratio that can be expressed in fraction. Before going to we know the meaning of ratio analysis, first we should understand the ratio. Suppose you are trying to find out the percentage or proportion of your accountancy book out of the total books available with you. How can you do that? Write down the number of accountancy book as a numerator divided by the total number of books. The solution that will be available with you may be in proportion. If you will multiply it in with 100, it will be in percentage. And simply you will divide it, you will get the times. Okay. Now, what is ratio analysis? In a very simple word, the word explain itself. When a financial statement is analyzed with the help of ratio, it is known as ratio analysis. Okay. What I explained you, when ratio when any financial statement is analyzed with the help of ratio, it is called ratio analysis. Then what the purpose of calculation of ratio and why it has explained to you. In the coming time, it may be possible that you will be a CEO of any organization, GM, financial advisor, or you can have your own business, etc. The ratio help us to express the big data details in a very short span of time and in only two figures. So the main objective of this one, it is it is it is just to analyze the profitability of the business. And very simply you can express profitability, say gross profit ratio, net profit ratio. It is also used to know the operating efficiency of the business, how business is operating, how business is doing actually. Just to present accounting information more simply, say when you have shared someone that the net profit ratio is 10%, means the person who is sitting in front of you has understand that you have earned 10% whatever you have sold or whatever services you have provided. So very simply the accounting information can be presented. to determine a short-term and long-term solvency position. A solvency position is actually the payment capabilities of the organization. It may be in longer period or it may be in shorter period. So ratio is also utilized to find out short-term or long-term solvency position, and there is also liquidity ratio. I will discuss it later on. I will discuss it later on. Now, what are the benefit of ratio analysis? It is a very useful tool for financial statement analysis. Actually, accounting ratio are useful to find out the financial position of any enterprises, bankers, investors, creditors, when they want to analyze the balance sheet and statement of profit and loss. They use these ratios or the ratio that we will study earlier. We will study later on. It is also help us. It also help us to forecast, enables SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis means analysis of strength, weakness, opportunities, and threat. It is also used for operating efficiency of the business. When we have to analyze the financial health and performance of an enterprise, we can take the help of ratios. There are various ratios for that one. It also simplifies accounting data. There are numerous data, as you are aware of that in accounting. With the help of a ratio, very simply we can present all the accounting data. So I think enough for today. Just try to find out a different ratio from your surrounding and you will learn the concept. We are meeting in the next class. Okay, till then, bye.